and in this video we are going to take a look at some plugins that can help you in creating slick cinematic superhero titles. And if you head over to AV3 using the link below this video, you'll get access to some great downloadable content. We've made these 4 pre-built superhero title templates for After Effects. You don't need any third-party plugins, just After Effects CS6 or later. All you have to do is input your own custom text or logo, and it updates automatically into the chosen style.